In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add drop-down list in Google Sheets with color. Let's begin. So in column B, I put in the words in progress and completed. So select the entire column here, where the words are, then go to the Insert tab at the top and choose drop-down. Then you're going to see these little downward arrows pointing downwards. Head over to the right side, and it's going to ask you to choose a range. So mine is going to be from B1 to B9. And then under criteria, it's going to say drop down. So select this little drop down option before the words, and it's going to allow you to choose a different color. Then for the other words in progress, if we select the drop down option before the words, it's also going to allow us to change it to another color. And if you go to the right, you see that our criteria has been added. So for completed, it's going to be red. Then for in progress, it's going to be blue. But let's say that you want to add in your own customized color. So go to the right, choose the drop-down option, and select Customize. Then here you can choose your color range and choose the intensity to your liking. Once you're done, select OK.